Good day. I'm here to demonstrate how to use CoinSlash Tracker. Let's start by logging in. In the dashboard, we have 4 pages: dashboard, branches, units, and real-time page. So let's first start by creating a new branch. Click on the Add Branch. And then enter the branch manager name, the location, affiliates, and all the necessary information. In here, we can also insert a affiliates where these users will be allowed to see the branch details. And then we add a geolocation. Let's search for Bugo CDO. We enter the day of month. This happens 13th day of the month, and then the share, which is 50%. We now go to the branch details page. Here we can see the details. For now, let's go back to units and assign them its units into the new branch. So we have 5 units assigned. Let's rename them accordingly or assign an alias. Let's start by doing Bugo plus PC and then a number. Let's now check these units assigned to Bugo Misamis Rental. As we can see, we have the 5 devices assigned to it. We can also see the details inside these units. As we can see, we have all of these unharvested data. These are all the daily summaries, which happens at midnight. And then let's go back and edit a typo. We can also edit branch details like Amparo. So that's we can also add another affiliate and be more specific on the geolocation. We choose another location. Update. So we can also see the location or in the details page. Let's now go to units page, and we can also do a reassign if we want to reassign them back to Tagulan Community College. We can see the device and the Bugo PC1. We can see that he has moved to Tagulan Community College. So right now, we reassign them back, and then let's do a harvest if there are any, and then we can see that we have harvested 1 day of data only. Let us export. Now in the units page, we can also decommission by confirming and typing confirm. Alright. And then we go back to branches and archive. So this will not show in the branches page unless we told it to. So we show the archived, which has a lot of branches. So let's now proceed with the indication that it's harvest today for Tagulan Community College. It has turned golden to indicate that it's ready for harvest. Let's go to harvest page. Here we have the schedules and metrics and the device list, and then we have coin analytics in here with bar charts and pie charts. You can also filter by date. For this month, there are no any data, and then we can see the harvest data through the dashboard as well. We can see this harvest data and their corresponding units data to to be in a tabular format. So the detailed data has the unit summaries visible, which displays all the daily summaries harvested. Let's now go back to the Tagoloan Community College data and then see all other branches as well. So Natumulan has data like 100,000 harvest, and then we can also print out the compact and detailed data. So let's now proceed with harvesting.
So back to harvesting. Executing a harvest has three modes: normal, today, and backdate. Today means that it includes today's sales, meaning real time, and backdate is used if you forgot to harvest them. We can also do a preview of the PDF. So while you harvest, you can also put the actual amount since it has the digitally acquired amount of 19,000. So let's say we put a 17,000. Then preview the difference. You can see the difference of 2,575, a difference of 13.15%. And the actual was 70,000. So let's go back and confirm the harvest. As we can see, we have the actual compact automatically generated. We can also do the detailed PDF, which includes all the harvest data that the device under it has generated. As we can see in this branch, Tagoloan Community College, the reason the first unit generated a lot was because it was installed earlier. As we can see here, the data has already been harvested, meaning that they are done. So let's go back and see the other data that were only recently moved to Tagoloan Community College. So this means it only has been harvested on its own corresponding data. Now going back, we can also see that the printed harvested details or the ASP devices, we only have is November 30 data, and for the others we have only the 30 summaries. We can also see them here for more details or breakdown. For example, this quantity and the coin breakdown. We can go back now and see that Natumulan has moved a bit. So we can see that we have executed this harvest. And for Tagoloan Community College, it has 19,000. We can see here that going back, we also have daily logs. This generated at the end of the day, flagging those units that don't have sales since the device weren't active or all of them were flagged. So it displays all the necessary information as well as the coin denomination and the total revenue for that day. So going to real time, it doesn't have any data. And then let's do the unarchive the other branches. As for this, we don't have any data, so that's for that. We can also see the contacts or the settings and the user management and the accessibility feature also. You can also do this in mobile view or open this in app or download it. So we can see that we have the upcoming schedule in Bogo or all branches, and the harvest recently harvested shows in Tagoloan Community College. Here, this part that we just did today. So I think that's all. Thank you.